Hello everyone, I am Lakshmikant Kapgate. I am back with another video on web-based application, which is very important for the learning management system, that is LMS. In this period, online teaching is very much promoted. So in online teaching, one part is where we can discuss with the student or with the learners face to face. In another option, we can share contents, we can distribute materials, we can share PDFs or other things through this portal. So in the second part, Edmodo comes. So we will talk about what is Edmodo and how it works, how to create your class on Edmodo. For this student, my dear friends, I should go to the Google browser first, and in this Google browser I can type Edmodo. Click on that. It will take you to the official page, official website. Search on that. Then the login option will come like this, login or sign. If you have already logged in with this application, so you can go to login, or if you are logging with the first time, you go and sign with the free account. So I click on free account. In this module, in this portal, especially in Google Plus, it is like a Google Classroom. In Google Classroom, we have seen how to create your classroom or classwork, but here one option is extra added in this class. For example, parents account. So parents also can join this class, and he can see the update profile, or he can see the progress of his son. So let's go. I am a teacher. I click on teacher's account. So I need to sign with my Gmail credential. I click on my Gmail. I have already logged in with this application. So it says that authentication successful. It will take to the class where I have created various classes for the student of my in my college. So see, there are 4 options: home, classes, discover, library and message. So just before that, you can see the profile of the teacher. See, this is mine profile. Let's see, let me open this, where I can describe myself, where I can talk about myself, my qualification, my area of interest, my experience, my educations, or other links which I am associated with. So this kind of box or this type of box will appear, so you can go and upload your photo, update your biographical details in this class. So then you go to home, where you can see my classes. I have created classes for BCom, BA English Literature, BA English Literature and other classes also. So for the beginners, I am going to create new class. So this is the page where I can see this plus sign. When I click on this button, you can create, or there are 2 options are visible. One is create class and the second one is join class. So if your colleague has created any class and he has shared the password, or the he has sent an email to you or to the student, they can use that code and join this class with the help of this button, and you can create immediately from this create button also. So let me create class. When I click on create class, this pop-up window is appear. I need to give the title, or let's see, description of my class. For example, I teach BS to the BSc. This is okay. Let me describe something. All students can join online teaching, learning. Okay, this is the description about my class. Then you can set the grades on which level you are going to teach. For example, I teach to the higher education. Then your subject is related to the language and arts. Then you describe your subject, and your subject is English. You can change the theme of your class. For example, let me take the purple color and create. So within 2-3 seconds my new class is ready to use. It says that welcome to BSc, what next? So here two options are available. Add student, it says that create account for your student or invite them to join your class, or you can explore classes which you have created previously. So let me add some student here. So this page is visible where I can enter the name. For example, this is the name of the student and this is the email. Okay, again this is another student which I want to add in my class. Number 3rd, okay, so these are the three information of 3 student, and then you go and add student. Click on add student. So 3 student I have added in my class. You can see the message. 1 student was invited to your class. Once an invitation is expected, the student will be added to your class. So this is the basic information. So again, let's go back. Here it says that connect parent to your student. You can also directly connect with your parents. Here you can see Kapgate AK. When I click on connect parent, you need to insert the email of their parents. I think this is not important. If you go, this is very complicated, but you can try also. If I want to connect with the parents of my student through email, you can add the email of the or you can type the mobile also, mobile facility or the mobile number you can also insert in this box. So this is again very important. Facility is available. Now see, this is the description of my class. Okay, then let's go to my class. My class was BSc. Now see, here after adding 3 student, you can see a class code, a unique class code is visible to you. So this code is very important. When you share this unique code with your student, after that by using this class code, they can join your class. You can share directly by giving them, by sending SMS, or you can share this code with the help of PDF file. For example, automatically generated PDF file is there. Let's see what is this. You can see this is the BSc class of created by Lakshmikant Kapgate, and your code is, you can share this file to your student so they can download Edmodo application from the application store or the Google Play Store or Microsoft if they are using. So they can follow these steps and they can use this class code and join your class. So this is the very easiest method. Or also another option is available. You can send or you can invite by through their email. You can enter the email. For example, let me add let me try. This is the email of my student. So let's send. So invitation has been sent to my student, so he can join classes. Okay, now see, after code there is a plus sign where I can create various assignment. Let's click. It says that create assignment, load existing assignment, create quiz, or load existing quiz. If I want to create an assignment, so let's click. I should create a quiz or assignment on literary terms, and let me give some instruction. Submit the assignment in time. So this is the instruction I want to give to my, you can see this message, it is automatically saved in our drive, because this is the cloud based application. So you can, there is no need to save all these things again and again. Afterwards there are three interesting things are available. If I go there, you can see it says attach file, attach link, or add link, or you can add from the library. Let's see what is this attach file. I click on attach file, so you can directly add any assignment from your laptop or your PC if it is available. So if I'm adding a literary quiz, so it is automatically uploaded. You can see I have created this assignment previously, so I have chosen that assignment from my PC and uploaded in this class. Then you can go and add another assignment, for example literary terms PDF. So let me add, or you can go to PDF books. You can also add various books if it is available. Practice book. Okay, let me add the handbook of Abraham. So again it is added to my class. This file is a little bit big, 7.56 MB, so it will take time to upload. So this is how, dear student, you can go and upload the material in your class. You can also add from your library. For example, suppose you have created in your Google Drive and it is available, you can upload from that corner also. So various options and various alternatives and various easy methods are available in this web application, where you can use your skill and develop your class and connect with your student. For example, I have created an assignment, so let me add this attach with. So now see, there are three things I have added in this class. One is a quiz, one is book, and then the second one is this is online Google form. So you can see it is uploading. Just wait, it is almost done. So my dear friends, it is uploaded. Now see, you can assign this, all these things, or all this assignment to your student by clicking on this button. Click on this button, so it will ask you the schedule. So you can schedule like this. Suppose if you think that key student must submit this assignment on 30th of May, and after this the assignment will be locked, so you can click in this lock button. So lock after due date, time is automatically detected. You can also change the timing also, but this is not important, date is very important. So let's go and assign this assignment. So item has been sent and updated in your page also. See, these three assignments are visible now in our class, on the page of our class. Again, my dear student, there is a chat box or chat forum or discussion forum, so where you can say, hi everyone, find the assignments and submit in time. So let me just, I have written like this, and I can post it in our group, or I can also create a poll like this, but there is no need to create poll right now. Then wellness check is option available there. Suppose I am great, I am okay, I am like this. So these options are not important in this part right now. So let's go. I have typed hi everyone. So this is enough. You can also add your image, you can also add various materials, or you can schedule this post. So let me post hi everyone, so it is visible on my class. So this is how we can create your class on Edmodo, which is very useful in these days. As we have fond of online teaching, you can also use this Edmodo application and use in your school, in your organization, in your college, in your colleges also. So here in folder section you can add various things. You can see the members which I have added in my class. You can create various groups by creating like this. For example, Elizabeth, this is the name of my group, and I will create. So group is created in our class. So you can see I can add members in this section also. For example, 2 students I have added in this class. So let me search, it is automatically, or you can add from the, so let's see, all members will be added to this class if it is available. So this is how you can create. Then you can see the due date. Suppose you have given assignment to your student, and what is the status they have submitted, whether they have submitted or not. You can see the status or update information in this page. Then you can see the progress, you can check out the progress, you can grade them like this. So this is very interesting feature, my dear friends. So you can use it in your school and colleges also. You can go to library, same option we have seen in the previous slide. Then you can send message, you can send messages to your student, clicking on, so you can type again, hello student, join online classes. You can send by clicking on the send button. So message has been sent to my student. So this is how we can develop our class. This is how we can develop our classroom on Edmodo. Then you can again go to home, where you can see the you will be surprised to know that this is like a like, comment and share. It is like a Facebook. So because developers are same from American company or the American world, so that is why the design is like a Facebook. So I hope that you will easily handle this, and there is no need to be to get confused with this application. Suppose if you want to change the setting of your class, as I just said, various updates will be there. If I want to confine all this activity to my class only, so I can set this like this. So only class activity will be visible in my class, no any extra or online promotion will be showing here. So this is how we have learned how to develop, how to create our classroom in Edmodo web portal or in this application. So I hope, dear friends, you have understood, and I hope that after watching this you will be able to create your own classes with the help of Edmodo. So thanks for watching, my dear friends. If you like this video, you can like my channel and subscribe. Thank you. So thank you once again.